Okay, ready, get set, go. Form. Ha? Form. Ready, get set, go. Hello, sir. Good morning. How may I assist you today?
Hello, good morning. Can I book a room?
Yes, sir. What kind of room would you like to purchase?
Superior room.
Okay, superior room is available for you, sir. May I know your name, sir?
Justin G.
How about your last name, sir?
Bantiles.
When is the exact date of your arrival, sir?
May 29.
How about your departure, sir?
May 31.
For how many packs, sir?
Just one.
May I get your address, sir?
Nagpumapad Mandawi City.
How about your contact number, sir?
0985
0985
054
054
4525.
4525. Do you have any company, sir? How about any contact person, sir? For a while, sir. That would be 15,000, sir. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay in cash. How much is it?
15,000.
Can you count?
I receive exact cash, sir. For a while for your visit, sir.